Sa pagsikat ni Efren sa sports ng bilyar, nag-cruise ang landas nila ng itinuturing na pinakamagaling sa bilyar noon na si Earl Strickland ng Amerika. Sa isang pagsasagupa nila, tinangka ni Strickland na pahirapan si Efren at itinago ang bola, pero ang pagtatagong yun ang lalong nagpasikat kay Efren Bata Reyes.
Quarter of way back up table.
Yeah, but look at what happens.
Oh, well, that was the problem. I guess it's a fair trade-off considering you want to stay in control of the table.
And we're getting what we wanted.
Exactly.
He's not going to shoot this ball unless he can make the 4 ball. He's not going to shoot. He's just going to draw and he's shooting this ball. Here's one of them spin shots again. The bing shots.
The bing. Ooh.
Does he hit these shots good?
Perfectly hit.
That's like Wimpy used to play. Remember Wimpy? Luther Lasser?
Do I remember Wimpy? Who could forget Wimpy?
Well, if the people haven't.
Okay, does he have the angle to draw off of the 9,
yes,
clearing the way for the 5?
The 9's just going to come out of there. Maybe he'll go into the 6 or not. Doesn't matter. All he has to do is just draw this ball, and it's going to bump off the 6. Just make sure you don't draw too strong. Just nip the top side of the 9. You want to make sure you go into the 9 here. Just draw it straight back just a little bit. Just a little bit, I said. What? He didn't have to do that. You see what I'm talking about?
That's right. Now,
why did he do that?
Because he wanted to make it even more thrilling. Move the 6.
Well, he might have figured that, yeah. He must have figured that, otherwise why would he shoot it like that?
Sure, see, now he even pointed like he was supposed to move the 6. With his finger, he could have moved it, but the 9, he didn't. Well, and then he can use the 6 as an interfering ball. If he pockets the bank, he'll have the 6 to shoot. Oh, no, he didn't. Watch the 8. Watch the 8.
Oh, my goodness.
Strickland said, okay, you can have that ball.
Oh, boy.
In that fashion, he can't go to the right because there's no cushion there.
He's in big trouble. He's in big trouble here.
The short cushion is the only cushion he can go to.
Dito na umandar ang calculator ni Efren.
Oh, what a bad roll, huh?
Oh, horrible roll. Horrible roll.
I don't like this shot because you don't get no movement, like you said, and you might miss this ball.
Oh, no! What a shot! Look at Earl Strickland. Put the camera on Earl Strickland.
Yeah, Earl's even clapping on that shot.
Put the camera on Earl Strickland.
I don't believe it. Sport fans, you have seen everything now.
Shot. Oh, my goodness.
Kung nagustuhan niyo ang video, pakiclick ang subscribe button at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.